Hello viewers, welcome to Golden Trades. Today we are going to talk about pick stocks like a pro in a simplified way. Do you want to find super stocks in the Indian market but don't know where to start? Most beginners lose money by buying cheap stocks that never go up. Today I will show you the elephant strategy. It's a 1-minute trick using the TradingView Screener to find the strongest companies in Indian stocks. The ones where the big players, banks and big investors are putting their money. In this video, you will learn the 1-minute shortcut how to filter more than 300 stocks down to the best 10. The safety first rule, why big companies over 1.6 lakh crore or like a gained Banyan Tree that protects your money. The crowd rule, how to use volume to see if a stock is popular or just a trap. Follow the gains, how to copy the big investors so you can ride the wave of success with them. Stop guessing and start investing with logic. As they say, where there is a crowd, there is a trade. Let's find that crowd together. Watch till the end of the sea. Watch Indian stocks are passing the test today. The elephant strategy. Ride the gains of the Indian market. In the stock market, chasing penny stocks for multibagger dreams is like flying a kite with a broken string. Exciting at first, but it rarely ends well. Real wealth is built differently. It is built by riding strong, proven companies, the elephant of the market. This 60 seconds stock filter will help you. This isn't in under 1 minute. You remove 90% of weak stocks. Just use this filter value. Market cap should be above 200 billion. The second parameter, average volume in 90 days above 500k. Why this strategy works? Number one, stability. The Banyan Tree effect. Big companies that are above 200 billion or likely Banyan Tree. They survive crises. They handle policy changes. They don't vanish overnight. You may not get rocket returns, but you get peace of mind plus consistent growth. Why volume? Volume, the truth, the market's heartbeat. Low volume rally, it's danger. High volume rally, it's a trust. Think like this. Low volume, few people involved, easy to manipulate. High volume, thousands participating, strong conviction. Volume tells you, is this move real or fake? Follow the whales, FIIs and DIIs. Big money moves markets. Institutions like banking and wealth management, insurance, they don't trade small stocks. Why? They need huge liquidity. They invest crores at a time. They create long-term trends. When they buy, prices don't jump for a day. They trend for months. The drafting concept, like cycling behind a leader to reduce effort. You ride behind institutional money. No need to predict the market, just follow where big money flows. The final checklist before you buy, ask yourself, is this a well-known company? For example, Reliance Industries, Tata Consultancy, L&T, ICICI Bank. Is volume strong? Is the trend upward or downward? Am I following the trend or fighting it. The core philosophy: don't try to be a hero in the stock market. You don't need to catch the next small stock explosion. You just need to sit on strong companies and let time plus institutional money do the work. Final thought: price is what you pay, value is what you get. The famous quote from Warren Buffett: with the elephant strategy, you are not trading random stocks, you are owning pieces of India's strongest business. The upcoming video will tell you that how you can use TradingView to filter and get these pick quality stocks. Stay tuned. Let us see in TradingView how to filter the quality stocks here. Let me explain how to we pick here. Just go to the search and here type screener. I have already recent research, but if you don't see this one, you can just type screener. So it will list here. Select that screener. Once you click that select screener, the right side, the window will show you. So there this will list the default stocks with some default filter. Just click this add, go with the volume. So here it will list the volumes and the parameter you need to feed. Select volume, average volume, and select this 90 days volume for that one. So once you selected, the filter will set up for both volume and market cap. So you pick that value whatever you want, but in our case we are looking for value is it's above 500k volume for 90 days. Then we need to check for market capital that should be greater than 200 billion. There you can select, you can feed that value. So you will get two filter. Once you done, the filter will filter all the stocks under in our search criteria. So you can pick this around 300 stocks you could see here. So this is a quality stocks which will help you to pick good stocks. You can make this descending order, whatever you want, make it arrange in volume wise or capital wise. You can add it filter in additional as well, but these two filters is enough. It help you to pick high quality stocks to invest in Indian markets. These are all most wanted by institutionals. They will keep their investment long. Yeah, viewers, I hope you enjoyed my video. This content will be useful for you. Practice this every day and pick quality stocks for your day trading, positional trading, and any future long and start trading. I hope this will help you. Please share this content if you really feel this useful. Please share this to your friends and relatives. Support us our channel. Thanks for watching. Have a good trading. Bye.